What is Journey Builder? Journey Builder is another system that is built on top of Contact Builder. In the past, when we set up trigger events for clients, they had to be custom built by the service's implementation team. Journey Builder changes that. Rather than requiring these triggers to be custom built, this system enables clients to set up their own events that trigger on up to 4 specific trigger activities. As part of their configuration process, clients choose how long their website will wait for a customer to do something before letting his browsing session expires from inactivity. Most of these triggers are sent soon after a customer's session expires. Types of available trigger. The first one is post-purchases. This event triggers immediately after an order is placed. The second one is abandon browse. When the customer allows the browsing session to expire, this event triggers within 5 minutes of the session expiration. The third one is abandon cart. If the customer allowed the session to expire while objects were still in the shopping cart, this event triggers within 5 minutes of the session expiration. And the last one is affinity change. If, by the end of the customer's browsing session, a new attribute/value pair enters into the top first or second affinity slots of the customer's profile that was not previously in the top 5 at all, this event triggers within 5 minutes of the session expiration. Discovery. Most app journeys start with discovery in some form, such as a friend's recommendation or an advertisement. Generally, brand discovery occurs via a mass medium. This process probably includes personal information, and it might include emails and promotions that include generic preferences. For existing customers, journeys should include activities and products based on personal preferences, such as size and any previous order history, to make new products more easily discoverable. The second point is start. Journey Builder can help your getting started experience become much more personal by establishing an interaction based on how the customer uses the app. For example, a customer uses an app like Trunk Club where personal stylists select clothes. The customer signs up, fills out the basic profile information, and starts using the app. Marketers can use a customized communication to follow up with the customer with personalized messages about the benefits of completing additional profile information, such as favorite color. As the app collects more personal preference information, marketers can provide a more personalized journey. In our Trunk Club example, you now know the customer's favorite color and can help the stylist select clothes the customer would more likely select. Marketers can subtly change the communications to include these personal color preferences. The third point is first interaction. The customer's first engagement with your app represents an important milestone, one worthy of a highly personal interaction in the customer journey. This first interaction may involve placing an order, taking the first ride, downloading a song, or any other initial action. A customer has indicated that they trust your business and your brand. First interactions present an excellent example of the importance of marketers and app developers working closely together. Journey Builder allows marketers to define the journey and app interaction points. It is these app interaction points that developers must implement as part of their app. The fifth is fulfillment. Fulfillment refers to the step in a customer's app journey when their interaction completes. This step may include when a package is delivered, a ride is completed, a course is finished, or a service case is created. However, fulfillment does not always represent a specific point of time. Fulfillment often covers an extended period of time during which existing business processes completely. Journeys must consider the interactions with the customer during this period. The majority of customer complaints with companies occur due to poor communication during the fulfillment cycle. The fifth point is abandonment. Effective marketers can utilize Journey Builder to create multiple journeys for their customers. These journeys may span multiple apps to support the growing trend of smaller, more focused apps, as demonstrated with Facebook Messages, Foursquare Swarm, and Salesforce. A journey builder for apps strategy, discussed in more detail throughout this book, enables marketers to create a vision for the entire customer engagement lifecycle, and enable the developer to create the killer app for the optimal experience. Nurture. Marketers can utilize Journey Builder to create independent nurture journeys, based on how the customer interacts with the brand. Sticky apps where users regularly log in can nurture users via in-app push notifications. Apps users utilize as required may require email promotions or contextual app notification, such as geolocation triggers. The seventh point is share. Just as a customer journey begins prior to ever using an app, customer perception of an organization's brand continues long after that customer closes down the app. Make it easy for customers to share their experiences across social networks. Smart marketers even incent customers to do so by using reward points, leaderboards, badges, and other gamification strategies. About ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud is a platform for marketers to create, manage, and automate customer journeys. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud includes a digital marketing platform designed to empower the businesses to listen and engage with customers across every channel, including email, mobile, social media, and the web.